Let's draw Pocoyo in a soccer outfit, happily striking a pose. Get your pencils ready and follow along as we bring this adorable little soccer star to life. Don't forget to check out our coloring books on Amazon for more creative fun. You can find it by searching for Pinky Art. Let's have fun drawing together. Do you like how we're starting with Pocoyo's round little head? Me too! Look at Pocoyo's big, happy smile. Can you smile just like him? Pocoyo loves to play and explore. Just like in soccer, he's always full of energy and excitement. Did you know soccer is the most popular sport in the world? More than 250 million people play it. Little details make drawings even more fun. Do you like the soccer outfit we're giving Pocoyo? What color would you choose for his jersey? Can you spot the coolest part of Pocoyo's soccer uniform? Look at Pocoyo's legs. He's getting ready to kick. Can you pretend to kick like Pocoyo? It's looking great so far. Are you having fun drawing with us? Did you like how we drew Pocoyo's soccer pose? What's your favorite part so far? If you're drawing along, say I did it. Are you excited to add colors? And we're done with our sketch. Yay! Pocoyo looks amazing in his soccer outfit, all ready to play. Now it's time to color. What colors will you use? Bring our drawing to life with your favorite colors. Soccer balls weren't always black and white. Before TV was in color, black and white balls helped players and viewers see them better. Pocoyo's best friends, Pato and Ellie, love playing games too. Do you think they would be good soccer players? A soccer game lasts 90 minutes. That's a lot of running. Do you think Pocoyo could run for that long? soccer comes from association football, but in many countries, it's just called football. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. The fastest goal in soccer history was scored in just 2.8 seconds. Wow! Do you think Pocoyo could score that fast? Professional soccer players run about 7 miles per game. That's like running back and forth 112 times on a playground. Did you know elephants love soccer? Elephant in some places, elephants play with giant soccer balls for fun. Maybe Ellie would want to try. Pocoyo's blue outfit is his signature look. But what if he wore a different color for his soccer uniform? What color would you choose? Pocoyo looks ready to play. Who wants to kick a soccer ball with him? Wow! Our drawing is all finished. Pocoyo looks like a real soccer star. Now it's your turn to color. Don't forget, we have coloring books on Amazon for even more fun. You can check them out and keep on creating. See you next time for another fun drawing adventure. Bye for now, Pinky Artist.